For more than a century, fossil fuels such as coal, oil, and natural gas have powered the modern world. They fueled industrialization, transformed transportation, and enabled unprecedented economic growth. However, concerns over climate change, air pollution, and finite resources have pushed nations to seek cleaner alternatives. Renewable energy, derived from sources such as sunlight, wind, water, geothermal heat, and biomass, has emerged as a powerful competitor. The question that many scientists, economists, and policymakers are asking is, can renewable energy truly beat fossil fuels? The answer is increasingly leaning toward yes. Although fossil fuels still dominate global energy consumption, renewable energy technologies are advancing rapidly, becoming cheaper, more efficient, and more widespread. While challenges remain, renewables possess the potential to surpass fossil fuels and reshape the world's energy future. Fossil fuels have been the backbone of modern civilization since the Industrial Revolution. Coal-powered factories and steam engines, oil transformed transportation, and natural gas became essential for electricity generation and heating. Today, fossil fuels provide around 80% of global energy. Their advantages include high energy density, reliable and continuous supply, established infrastructure, relatively low production costs in many regions. These characteristics allowed countries to develop rapidly and support growing populations. However, fossil fuels come with significant drawbacks. The burning of fossil fuels releases carbon dioxide and other greenhouse gases into the atmosphere. These emissions are the primary drivers of global warming and climate change. Major consequences include rising temperatures, more frequent heat waves, stronger storms and floods, melting glaciers and polar ice, rising sea levels, increased droughts and wildfires. Air pollution from coal and oil combustion also causes millions of premature deaths annually due to respiratory and cardiovascular diseases. Moreover, fossil fuels are finite resources. Eventually, economically recoverable reserves will decline, making extraction more expensive and environmentally destructive. Renewable energy comes from naturally replenishing sources. Unlike fossil fuels, these resources are continuously renewed and produce little or no greenhouse gas emissions. Major renewable energy sources include solar energy. Solar panels convert sunlight into electricity using photovoltaic cells. Solar power is abundant and available almost everywhere on Earth. Advantages: zero fuel costs, minimal emissions, scalable from homes to utility-scale plants, rapidly falling installation costs. Perhaps the most important reason is economics. Over the past 2 decades, the cost of solar panels and wind turbines has dropped dramatically. Improvements in manufacturing, technological innovation, and economies of scale have made renewables increasingly affordable. In many regions, solar and wind power are now cheaper than coal-fired electricity. This cost advantage is transforming energy markets worldwide.